Hello guys! Our discussion for today is about the AutoCAD's modifying tools. Dito sa AutoCAD, meron tayong mga modifying tools na makikita natin over here sa modifying panel or modify toolbar. There, we have move, copy, rotate, mirror, and many more. Let's begin with the simplest and most used command, the erase command. Para ma-activate natin itong erase command, ang gagawin lang natin is type ERASE or E, then enter. Or pwede din nating i-click itong pencils eraser na icon dito sa may modify toolbar. As you can see, nag-change yung crosshairs natin. From being crosshairs, naging pick box siya. Itong square na yan, pick box ang tawag natin dyan. Then, itapat nyo lang itong pick box over that object or objects na gusto natin i-erase. Ayan, so as we can see, pag naitapat natin itong pick box, sa object nagkakaroon ng mark na red na X. Pwede din natin gamitin yung different selection methods na natutunan natin sa Module 3, kahit naka-pick box na tayo. Ayan, we can use picking, pwedeng windows, and pwede ring crossing. After the selection method, makikita natin na nag-fade yung objects. May choice pa kasi tayo dyan. Pwedeng i-cancel mo yung command by pressing the escape button sa keyboard. Ayan. Or kung sure ka na you really wanna erase itong objects na to, press mo lang yung enter sa keyboard. There, the objects are instantly erased from the drawing area. Ngayong alam na natin itong erase command, I just want you to remember na you can always get the deleted objects back. Paano, ma'am? You can type the oops command, OOPS, then enter. Or undo. Type mo lang U or click mo yung undo icon over here. So that's it for our erase command. Next, we have the copy command. So gagamitin natin ang command na ito to create a copy or to duplicate yung objects or mga objects na ginawa natin. All we have to do is type COPY or CO, then enter. Or click mo lang itong copy icon dito sa modify panel para i-activate itong copy command. Ayan. As you can see, nag-change ulit itong crosshairs natin. Naging pick box ulit siya. After that, select mo na yung object or objects na gusto mong i-copy. Then ulit, press escape kung gusto mong i-cancel ang command or enter kung sure ka na gusto mo na talaga siya i-copy. After that, pwedeng mag-left click ka na lang sa drawing area if satisfied ka na sa position ng bagong copy mo na objects. So, kung gusto mo naman ng mas specific, type mo yung distance ng base point ng bagong copy mo na objects doon sa base point ng original objects mo, then enter. You can also do multiple copies. Ayan. Ang gagawin mo lang, after dun sa selection of objects, type mo MU, then specify ulit ang base point. Ayan, pwede ka nang mag-copy ng objects na yun as much as you want to. Kung okay ka na dyan, enter mo lang. Okay, so next we have the mirror command. To activate this command, again, pwede mong i-click yung icon niya dito sa modify panel, or you can type MIRROR or MI, then enter. Ayan, pick box na ulit si crosshairs. So next step, object selection. After selecting our desired objects, enter. Specify the first point of the mirror line. Then the second. After that, you have two choices. I-delete mo yung original or not. So that is the mirror command. Next, we have what we call the offset command. Gamit itong command na to, we can create new object parallel doon sa selected and existing na object natin sa drawing area. To activate this command, you can click itong icon niya dito sa modify panel, or type OFFSET or O, then enter. First, you have to specify the offset distance. Then select the object na gusto mong applyan itong offset command. Ayan, then left click mo lang. Then, you can choose other objects pa, or if satisfied ka na doon, press mo na ang enter. So, sige. Since na-try natin sa triangle, try natin sa circle para mas makita natin itong offset command. So, that is it for our offset command. Next is the move command. Ang ginagawa ng command na to is very simple. Nililipat niya yung objects from one location to another sa ating drawing area. So, for the activation of this command, we can click yung icon niya dito sa modify panel, or type mo lang MOVE or M, then enter. After that, select mo yung object or objects na you wanna move. Specify the base point. Then yung location na nasa drawing area na gusto mong paglipatan. Kung gusto mong mas specific, you can type the displacement. So, ayun lang yung move command. Next is the rotate command. To activate this command, pwedeng i-click ito sa modify panel, yung icon niya, or type ROTATE. Or RO, then enter. Object selection ulit. Enter. Specify the base point. Magro-rotate yung object about that base point na pinili natin. After that, specify the rotation angle. Pwedeng i-left click mo lang sa drawing area or type mo yung angle na desired mo para mas accurate. Then enter. So ayun lang, ganun lang si rotate command. Dito naman tayo sa scale command. Itong command na to, we use this para i-change yung size ng object. So first, activation of command. Pwedeng i-click mo yung icon dito sa modify panel. Or type mo SCALE. Or SC, then enter. After that, perform object selection. And then kapag satisfied ka na dun sa naselect mong object, enter. Tapos, specify ka ulit ng base point. After that, specify the scale factor. So, be careful dito sa pag-specify ng scale factor, Hindi ito distance or length. For example, nag-type ka ng 0.5. Ibig sabihin nun, magiging half lang yung object mo compared sa original. Or example, nag-type ka ng 2, ibig sabihin, madodouble yung size ng object mo. Ayan lang si scale command. Ganun lang si scale command. Binabago niya lang yung size. Next, we have the stretch command. Gamit itong stretch command na to, we can move the vertices of an object. So, the quickest way to do this, select an object. As you can see, meron ditong mga points or vertices dito sa object. Choose a point, then you can perform stretch command na instantly. Pwede mo siyang isod dun sa gusto mong position. Ganun lang si stretch command. Next is the trim command. Using this command, we can cut or trim a part of an object. Dito sa trim command, we will be needing a second object that will serve as our cutting edge. So first, command activation. Click mo lang yung trim icon dito sa modify panel. Or type TRIM or TR, then enter. After that, we have to be careful dito sa object selection. Unahin muna natin i-select yung object that will serve as our cutting edge. So, dito sa example natin, ang cutting edge natin ay line. Then, enter. Tapos, you will select yung part ng object or objects na gusto mong i-trim. So, ayan. Tapat mo lang yung pick box over that part na ititrim natin, then left click. So, ganun lang i-perform si trim command. Next is the chamfer command. We use this to flatten the corner of an object. So first, to activate this command, pwede natin i-click ang icon niya dito sa Modify panel. Or type CHAMFER. Or CHA, then enter. After that, select the first line connected to the corner of the object na gusto natin i-flatten. Then, type A to specify the angles of the chamfer to the lines of the object. Next, select the other lines connected to the corner of the object you want to flatten. Or type D to specify the distances of the chamfer to the lines of the object. Next, select the other lines connected to the corner of the object you want to flatten. So that's it. That's how we perform the chamfer command. Next, we have the Fillet Command. Almost the same lang siya kay chamfer command, pero imbis na i-flatten ang corner, ginagawa niyang round. So, for command activation, click lang ulit yung icon sa Modify panel. Or type FILLET. Or F, then enter. After that, select the first line na connected doon sa corner ng object na gusto mong gawing round. Left-click lang sa mouse. Then type R and enter to specify the radius. After that, select na yung second line na connected doon sa corner na gusto mong gawing round. That's it. Ganun natin gamitin si Fillet Command. The last one is the Array command. Using this command, we can duplicate an object in the drawing area with a rectangular, polar, or path pattern. First step natin, syempre, command activation. Pwede nating i-click yung icon ni array sa modify panel. Ayan. Kung i-click nyo itong drop-down button, pwede nyo na rin piliin kung anong type ng array yung gusto nyong gawin. Or syempre, pwede din nating i-type ARRAY or AR, then enter. After that, select an object na gusto mong maging reference ng array mo. Kung nag-type ka ng command, ayan, papipiliin ka kung anong type ng array ang gusto mong gawin. I-try natin itong rectangular muna na pattern. Ayan, makikita natin sa drawing area yung array. Dito sa ribbon area, lalabas yung settings ni array. Ayan, pwede mong i-adjust yung rows and columns and yung distances between them. Okay, so, gawa ako ng ibang object naman. Try natin yung triangle. Ayan. And then, try naman natin yung polar pattern. Specify mo lang yung magiging center ng array mo. Left-click mo lang sa drawing area. Ayan, pwede mo ring i-adjust dito sa ribbon panel sa settings ni array yung numbers of items and rows and yung angles ng iyong mga items. Ganun lang po gamitin si array command. We now know the modifying tools in AutoCAD and yung mga corresponding commands niya. So that's it for our Module 4. See you on the next one!